Once client is successfully created, you can view the complete client list in the home page. By tap the client in the right side, you can see Add Audit icon. Using this option, we are going to set up the Statutory Audit Workspace in the software. Statutory Audit Workspace is nothing but what kind of engagement or type of audit user going to perform in the software, for example quarterly, half-yearly and annually. And we will how to select the right framework and reporting standard for the engagement. By tapping this Add Audit icon, user can find a page which contains detailed list of engagement criteria. First, user needs to fix the financial year from and to date for the engagement and needs to select the audit period from the given drop-down menu, whether quarterly, interim, half-yearly, year-ended and limited review. Once your audit period is selected, next you need to fix the sub-period for the audit period based on the selection of audit period. Sub-period option will present in the drop-down menu. Next, you choose the audit type from the drop-down menu. As per standards on auditing SA 230 Audit Documentation Standard, the audit team must complete all audit documentation within 60 days from the date the audit report is issued. Prior to the audit report date, the audit team should have completed all of the key audit procedures to support their audit opinion. With respect to the standard in our software, we have an option of archive the audit in the diagnostic report. For the procedure, user have the option to fix the expected archival date to set the timeline for closure of audit along with all the documentation part. Next is very important accounting details. In this area, user needs to provide the standards for financial reporting from the drop-down menu based on the client specific and with respect to revenue, net worth and selection criteria. User needs to fix the reporting standard, whether it is Indian Accounting Standard (INDAS) or Accounting Standard (IGAAP). Next needs to reporting framework, whether it is a standalone framework or consolidation framework. And finally, team members for the audit engagement needs to allocate from the drop-down menu. User can find the entire team members name list. Once everything is completed, tap the next icon. Once audit workspace is created, next user needs to choose the audit software of the client. In our software, we have two types of trail balance upload option. Either user can use Tally software or other ERP softwares. In Tally, user needs to provide their Tally serial key and release number to our team. We have a direct linkage with Tally team. They will generate the JSON file to plug in the trail balance and they book into the software. With the introduction of JSON-based Tally utility, the availability of Excel upload feature has been taken down. Users are requested to please zip the extracted JSON files directly on their system before uploading them to the software and kindly avoid zipping the entire folder. And next option is other ERP. Other than Tally software, users are requested to use this option. Their user have a template to upload trail balance in the software. Once template is downloaded, user needs to follow few steps to upload the trail balance into the software. Ledger code is mandatory and unique. Without Ledger, software will not allow users to upload the trail balance. No blank cells. Needs to put 0 instead of leaving the cells as blank or empty one. Ensure that sum of closing balance is 0. Under financial statement category, user needs to enter balance sheet and income statement. In this, B and S of balance sheet is capital. Likewise, income statement I and S are capital letters. Primary and secondary head is mandatory. In our template, we have the mapping option of till additional 5 subheads level. And users needs to do paste special if they used any formulas in the sheet. And user will not use any special characters in the ledger name, primary and secondary column. These are the simple 7 steps users needs to apply and remember before they start uploading trail balance in the software. Once file is ready, user can upload the same, and additionally, user can have the option Ask Me Later present in the right corner. And next, user needs to complete the independence checklist. And finally, user have the option of workspace setting. This menu will help user to configure the audit settings for the workspace. User have customization the list by using 𝗂𝗓𝗋 of System of Digital Trust, Test of Financial Controls, Engagement Quality Review, Confirmation and last option of Tax Audit.